Yes, we're building snowmen. Yeah, I was surprised. I wanted to keep my hopes down so I could be actually surprised today, and here we are. It'd be nice to be able to walk to the den every once in a while throughout this lovely snow, but I understand it's a huge campus, and I understand that we're not the priority, but you know, it'd be really nice. One of these racks is probably covered in snow. I'm thinking I'm just going to leave it there for a while.
Yeah, we're supposed to get another flip today.